Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for batteries for your electronics? After losing my keys for my home and car so many times, I decided I really need to search for these batteries that LiCB had right here on Amazon. I really was so happy that all I needed to do was get this pack of 10 and I was set to go. They fit perfectly. You just make sure that your accessory is the right match and you can get your accessories and your items working just like new. And I was so happy that I was able to find this very affordable pack right here with LiCB. I am so happy that I found these batteries, CR1632s, for my accessory. I know you will enjoy using them too. They will make everything start running properly. And that's just my point of view.